Bonjour mes étudiants extended. I welcome you all to this new session. So last class we were seeing leçon 1, les salutations, and in this lesson we were seeing vocabulary, right? So first let's revise this and then we will move to the dialogue. So move to the vocabulary page. Okay, so now please repeat along with me. Salutation. Salutation. Meaning is greetings. A bientôt. A bientôt. You have to repeat along with me. A bientôt. See you soon. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good morning or hello. This is the formal way of saying or wishing people. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. The meaning is good night. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Ça va bien, merci et toi. Ça va bien, merci et toi. Fine, thank you and you. This is to a friend, so it will be informal. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you? To an adult. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? What's your name? To an adult. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. Dormez-vous? Dormez-vous? Are you sleeping? Et vous? Et vous? And you? This when we ask a question in a short manner to the opponent. Une fille. Une fille. Girl. Frère. Frère. Brother. Un garçon. Un garçon. Boy. Madame. Madame. Madam or Mrs. Mesdames. Mesdames. Madam or Mrs. in plural. Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle, the meaning is miss. Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Miss in plural form. Monsieur. Monsieur. Sir or Mr. Monsieur. Monsieur. Sir or Mr. in plural form. Now we have revised the vocabularies. Now we will move to the lesson part. Okay, so this is the conversation that you know. Okay, so this we will learn, but before this we will learn some short things, and based on that I will ask you some online questions. Okay, so we must understand what is formal and informal, right? So that's why we are going to see this. So now I am in page number 14. Les salutations, page number 14. You can take if you have the book. If not, no problem. Just watch from here. Salut, je m'appelle Manuel. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? So there are two friends talking to each other. Let's see how they greet first. They say salut. You know what is the meaning of salut? Salut means hi, hello or bye. Okay, so this friend is talking to this friend. Okay, what he is asking? He is telling first his name. Je m'appelle Manuel. So now I'll tell salut to you. You have to repeat with me. Okay, salut. Je m'appelle Manuel. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? You have to ask this to your friend. And this will be, the answer will be, first he will greet you. Salut. Je m'appelle Anish. First he greets you. Salut. Je m'appelle Anish. So if you see here, both the people are same age group. And they gives the greeting as salut. But the second one, if you see here, this is a professional conversation. This is between a doctor and a person. Okay, so let's see how this is. So first one we saw informal, that is salut, and introducing the name and asking how to ask others name. Okay, so if you see here, salut means hello or hi, and second thing, je m'appelle Manuel, telling your name first. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? This is the informal way of asking someone what is their name. So the answer will be, first we have to greet them, salut, and secondly we have to say je m'appelle Anish. So number 1 is over. Conversation number 2. If you see from this conversation, this person is starting the conversation. See the number here, 1 is mentioned. Bonjour madame. Bonjour monsieur. Excusez-moi, vous vous appelez comment? Je m'appelle Sophie Delpa. Et vous? Je m'appelle Jean Martin. See, if you see from this conversation, first this guy who is standing here with a blue coat, he is speaking. He says bonjour madame. That means this lady is unknown to him. So the first time this guy is meeting the lady, and it is a professional conversation, and otherwise it is called as a formal conversation. So first we say bonjour madame. First we have to greet bonjour madame, and so the opposite person, what she says, bonjour monsieur. Bonjour monsieur. So this guy replies, excusez-moi, vous vous appelez comment? He says, excuse me, how do you call yourself? And the reply is, je m'appelle Sophie Delpa. Et vous? Je m'appelle Jean Martin. So this is how the conversation goes on. So if you see, this is a formal conversation. You must understand the difference between formal and informal. That is what I want from you guys. So if you see both the conversation, salut, and here it is bonjour. Here they didn't say monsieur anything. They didn't give them a respect. But here monsieur, they are giving respect. Monsieur, madame. And secondly, if you see here, just the name, and they ask et vous. But here, see et toi. So that is the difference. So if you have a pencil, circle the difference alone. And next, before asking someone's name, see what this guy says. Excusez-moi, vous vous appelez comment? So that's the way to ask. And then they can give the name. Je m'appelle Martin. So from this page, you must know this. Okay. Okay, so next what we are going to see is the next page. Apprenons à saluer. Apprenons à saluer. Let us learn how to greet people. So this is the left hand side is one way, and the right hand side they have given the another way. So this toy, this funny cartoon character, it's going to speak. Bonjour, enchanté, comment ça va? So bonjour when we first time when we meet someone, and enchanté, what do we do? When we meet someone, we will say, nice meeting you, or I am happy to see you. So that is enchanté. And comment ça va? That means how are you? So salut, bonsoir, bon après-midi, bienvenue. So don't get scared, this is new. See, this is already what you learned in the vocabularies. Salut means hi. Bonsoir means good evening. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bienvenue means you're welcome. So if you see, again, there is a very good explanation of conversation informelle, conversation formelle. So from this, you could say, see, the toy is speaking to a small boy. Salut, comment ça va? But in case if the small boy is speaking to an elder person, bonjour, comment allez-vous? That means this is an informal conversation without respect, but this is a very formal conversation with respect. So already what we saw from the previous page, it is repeating once again. So if you understand the scenario, you will be able to conclude what it is. So this is from this page. Nothing guys, it's keep on repeating. You have to just understand. Okay. So if you see, we'll start with this page, okay? So that will be a good revision for you. So if someone asks you, how are you? You can reply in these many ways. 6 ways are there. You can say ça va, or you can say ça va bien merci, pas mal, comme si comme ça va mal. So you have to repeat along with me, okay? So first way of saying you're fine is I'm okay. That means ça va. Please repeat. Ça va. If someone asks you comment allez-vous, you have to say ça va. Or another way of saying ça va is ça va bien. That means I'm doing good. Ça va bien. And the same way, when you say ça va bien, you also thank them for inquiring about your health or something else. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. So, ça va. Please repeat. Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Pas mal means not bad. Okay. And comme si, comme ça means not bad or not good. Just this or that. Okay. Not like this or not like that. Just okay. Ça va mal. That means I'm not fine. Okay. So once again. Ça va. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça va mal. Okay, once again. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça va mal. So this is over. Next, what we are going to see. So just I will give what we have seen so far. First, we saw some to introduction to people talking, that is same group, age group. If you're talking to your friends, you have to follow this. If you're talking to a professional people or elders, you have to follow this scenario. Okay. And secondly, we learned how to salute, how to greet people. So from here we learned how to greet people. Okay. If it is morning, or it's nice to see you, or how are you, or good afternoon, good evening, welcome, all these things we saw. And next we saw another scenario, when to talk informal and when we have to talk formally. So far we have seen this, and this is how to reply for people who greet us. If they ask how are you, there are 6 ways to tell back how you feel. So that is what we saw now. Now from this last page, this is taking a leave. If you want to say bye to someone, there are plenty of ways to say bye. So out of this, which one you choose, that's your fish. Okay. Apprenons à prendre congé. Apprenons à prendre congé. Let us learn to say goodbye. So there are plenty of ways to say goodbye. So few things you already know. Few I am going to add today. Au revoir. This is well known to you. Au revoir. À bientôt. Au revoir is bye. À bientôt is see you soon. À demain. See you tomorrow. And bonne journée. Have a nice day. These things you already know. Okay. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. Bonne journée. So these things that came for your midterm. Okay. So the rest which things you have to see is à tout à l'heure. This is similar to à bientôt. Within an hour they are going to meet again. So that you can say à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Repeat. À tout à l'heure. Next is bonne soirée. If they have an evening party, you can say bonne soirée. Please repeat. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. And next is bon après-midi. This is good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Okay. And what else we didn't see? À plus tard. That means they will not meet for a longer time. À plus tard. See you later. And last one is bonne nuit. Good night. So mostly when we leave someone, we will be saying these things. Either in the afternoon, we have to say bon après-midi. If it is in the night, bonne nuit. And if it is in the evening party, bonne soirée. Like that it will vary. So you must know when to use this. So when to use this, I'll be talking to you about this on the live class. So it will be very nice when we talk with a dialogue, or we play a conversation it would be interesting. So one final time we will revise this and we will wind up the class. So first one is au revoir, au revoir, à bientôt, à bientôt, à demain, à demain, bonne journée, bonne journée. So these four things already we saw. Now few new things is à tout à l'heure, à tout à l'heure, à tout à l'heure. Bonne soirée, bonne soirée, bonne soirée. Bon après-midi, bon après-midi. À plus tard, à plus tard. Bonne nuit, bonne nuit. So now what you're going to do is from page 1, 2 and 3, that is 14, 15 and 16, you're going to learn. So out of these things, I'll be asking very simple questions to you, and based on these questions you have to reply in the online test. Okay, so out of these 3 pages the questions will be asked. For example, what is the meaning of salut? Either it is good afternoon or saying hi. Like that I will ask some questions and you have to answer it. So I want you to revise this and understand, and if you understand this 3 pages you will be able to solve the online test today. So your online test is today based on the 3 pages 14, 15 and 16. So if you have a global understand, that is enough, far better. No need to just mug up everything. As the class goes on you will learn, because next class we will see this politesse and we will see the conversation from the next class. Okay, see there is a second page of vocabulary. This is nothing but what we saw just now. It is whatever we saw just now, that alone is here. You can learn from the page 14, 15 and 16. That will be in an image format. See, everything is in an image format. So the same things are repeated here. Okay, so the same things are repeated here in this page, that is page number 21. So next class, before I start this session, I will revise this page, because just today only I taught, no? So I will revise this page in the next session. So there are 2 ways of learning. Either you can learn from 14, 15 and 16 page, or whatever is available there is repeating here, but here it is without image. If you see whatever the words are here, the same words will be repeated here, but here it is without image, there it is with image. So you prefer which one you like and you can use that for reading. Okay, so based on this your online test will be asked today. Okay, so and your homework is write this vocabularies in your classwork. So that will be a homework, and you will be keep on repeating this lesson 1 for 2 more sessions, so automatically you will get the words. Please don't worry about the pronunciation or intonation. When we have live classes you will speak along with me and your improvement will be seen very shortly. Okay, so thank you guys. So today we saw some salutation, greetings, that is from how to take leave or how to say reply to someone, how do you feel and other things. In the next class we will see something interesting, and let's discuss about this on the live class. Okay, so bonne journée, merci.